Welcome. In front of me I have the JETech case. Now this one specifically is the magnetic case for iPhone 17 Pro, and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the case itself. So I'll be taking a look at just the case itself without the phone, because iPhones have not actually been released just yet. And talking about this case, I do want to point out that the box for these is identical no matter which one you go for. So as an example, this is a different case from the same brand, and you can see they are the exact same. So I'm pointing out that this is the magnetic one. I can actually cut this, just do it this way. There we go. I value my time a little bit more than trying to peel that off. So taking it out, we have the case itself. So it's more plain, I would say, with less weirdness happening with it. So plastic back only that houses our MagSafe right here, and rubberized bumper along with this area surrounding the camera that is going to protect the camera with its plateau. And buttons are covered with the case. They do have cutouts, as you can see, to make them easier to press. We have a lanyard. We have a cutout. I was for a moment thinking that doesn't have any kind of protrusion, so that when you plop it through, it's gonna push the case out. But inside, they did kind of. You can see they did cut out, so there's a bit of an empty space, more of it in there to accommodate for any kind of lanyard. Now, power button is also protected right here, as you can see. The only thing that isn't is the camera function, whatever button right here. Now, I want to bring up another case that I just unboxed. Just bear with me while I'm getting my way into it. Come on. So, taking it out, this is also a really nice case, which I want to showcase while we're comparing it. So this is a ESR magnetic or soft magnetic case. So it also has MagSafe built in. It also has camera protection. It's designed very similarly. One thing that it has is also protection for the camera button right here. And if you're wondering how does it work with the touch inputs, it's actually transferring the touch inputs through to a little conductive strip that is on the other side. So when you're touching it, the phone will still detect it. And additionally, it also has the kickstand right here that makes it much more versatile. I really like this case specifically, so I want to give it a shout out. Now this is more plain, lighter. It doesn't have any kind of kickstand, and it doesn't protect the button right here. It does have the MagSafe, plastic, rubber, and that's about it. Like I said, I don't have an iPhone to plop in here to see how well it fits, but I presume these companies get these schematics for these ones, so I'm pretty sure they can do their job correctly. So yeah, still a solid case, feels sturdy. The rubber itself is not millimeter thick, it's pretty decent. So if you drop this device, it feels like it's gonna protect it when impacted on a corner. So still decent case. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.